This ceremony involves the uncasing of the 4 state colours and 36 regimental colours by the Reserve Parade Regimental Sergeant Major Master Warrant Officer Low K. Key and the Colours Regimental Sergeant Major Military Expert 3 Ong Sin Chui. Facing the colours are men and women from the 6 Guard of Honour contingents bestowed with the responsibility of protecting the honour and proceedings of the ceremony.
The history and tradition of colours go a long way back. At the beginning of the 17th century, when militaries were adopting the regimental system, flags of distinct colours were assigned to each regiment for identification during war. For example, the Red Regiment would carry a red-coloured flag when they go for battle. Hence, military flags came to be known as colours. In some other chronicles, early Helvetic flags bore the colours of a commander in the same sense used in horse racing today.
On the other side of the world, in the 1650s, the Manchus were experimenting with unification and continued to perform this function for many centuries. Colours became the identity of the unit, and when colours fall or are captured during battle, it was deemed that the unit had fallen. Therefore, the bravest of soldiers were tasked to guard the colours.
Today, modern militaries continue to maintain the tradition of having colours in units. While colours are no longer used in the battlefield for identification, they serve a ceremonial role. Colours represent a distinct identity for each unit. On the other hand, it would be awarded to formations and units. All other colours outside of these conventions were retired during the 1997 Singapore Armed Forces Day Parade.
Prior to conferring units with new colours, the colours are blessed by various religious leaders of the inter-religious organisation in the consecration ceremony. Thereafter, the colours will be presented to the commander of the unit by the President of Singapore. Similarly, colour can also be retired when the unit becomes defunct due to organizational restructuring. The retiring colour will be paraded ceremoniously during the SAF Day Parade, where the entire parade will give one final compliment to the colour. This can be an emotional moment as the retired colour will not be on parade again.
The SAF state colours adopts the basic design of the state flag with the SAF crest emblazoned on it. The SAF state colours consist of the state crest, Tentara Singapura,